Okay, today I want to show you how the basic skill of using Microsoft Word. This is for a beginner, so watch carefully. First, we open Microsoft Word. Yes, I have 2007, but I want to using 2016. Okay, yes. The most important thing, you want to be save your file first. File, save as, close, and you pick your search file. And I wrote down my name, Silson, and save. Why I speak that we must save first? Because when your electricity is down, you can find the last tasks in your Microsoft Word. You write down name over here, name, and then class. And next, we just type our one over here. I want to type 7 steps to wash your hands properly. Nah. Okay, I want to make this is called numbering in home. This is bullets and this is numbering. We using this numbering. We click and we choose this. The first one of washing properly is wet your hands. Step 1. Step 1. Wet wet your hands and apply enough so, and then when you click enter button in your keyboard, automatically this Microsoft Word make number 2 over here because we using this. Okay, don't forget dot. Okay, step 2. Step 2 is wrap your palms together. Dot. Step 3. Step 3 is wrap the back of each hand. Enter. Step 4. Put your hands while interlocking your fingers. Number 5 or step 5. Step 5. Rub the tips of your fingers. Step 6. Step 6. Rub your thumbs and ends of your wrist. And the last step is step 7. Rinse both hands properly with water. Okay, when you done, the next job of your is modify this text. We can click and drag the pointer. It means you block it. Click and drag, and we can make it bold, or we drag all over. We change the font style to Arial, and size maybe 14, and I will click and drag over here and make in center using center or Control E. Okay, and then I will make it gap. Click pointer over here, then push the enter button 1, and I will drag it, make it in center. I will drag this and justify, and go back to over here. I will make it bigger, 26 maybe, and I want to block this and make it paragraph. Click here, line spacing, don't forget, click and double. Okay, I will click enter button. There is some gap right there. Okay, after that I will color this. How to color with whatever you want to do in this text. You must block it first and then apply you want to do. I will color this, then I will block and color with my favorite color is blue. You can make bold over there, bold, and I will color my name in green and make bold. Okay, maybe it is okay. Next, I will color this. I will color this too. This one is red. Just click and drag over there and color with whatever you want. Click and drag. It's easy using Microsoft Word. Okay, then if you want some pictures, let's insert the pictures over here. How? We enter insert, click insert, and we click pictures. We want to insert the pictures, of course. We find the result, the search of our pictures. This one. And then this is the logo. Oh, I can move this pictures. How to move? We select the pictures first and we click format, wrap text or text wrapping. We choose this and behind the text click, or you can move. Okay, we move over here and I will make I will a little bit wash out this logo so the text we can read clearly. We click this color in format color. No, sorry. Select, click color and we choose this is wash out. Okay, like this. Wow, look. If you do wrong, you just click this. I do wrong over there is not this is a little bit cut over there. I click it again. Now just one. I will color to wash out there. Yep. Okay, that is simple, right? If I zoom out, maybe like this. Oh, little bit. I will make it down. Okay, that's all. The simple ones using numbering, or you can using bullets too, numbering, and using the simple basic of Microsoft Word. Bold, italic, you can, the first step is you block it and click italic if you want to make like italic or underline it like me, this, and you can color over there using color, what color you want. Okay, that's all. See you. Bye bye.